Hello, welcome students, welcome to Confidence Academy. Today I am going to discuss about articles. This class will be taken by the Javed sir and teach you how to use an, a and the, and what are the uses of articles. Now I would like to request Javed sir about say about something a and the and uses of articles. It helps you a lot in your using the English language.
Good afternoon to all. Today, you peoples might be waiting that the topic which I am going to be explaining today on account of Sunday. So let us learn something new because last Sunday we studied whole part of the English. Among that, this is the main part that is called as articles. Let you know that what is meant by article. Article means persons are saying that a and the. No, a and the, those are what are articles. Articles means part, part for every language or process of using for every language is called as article. Then what are the articles that are, those are the questions will be arising over there. So let you know that first the meaning of article. Article means uses of way or the persons indicating the nature. While I am handling the class, persons are how they are going to be managing, how they are going to be behaving. Those are called as article. Am I correct? So among the articles, two types are there, definite and indefinite article. Definite article means the only one article, definite. Indefinite article means a and an. Those are divided into two equal parts. That is, first the article, second one is a and an. So definite article, the, let you know that among the articles, mean the article, what does it mean? Can anybody say that? What is the meaning of the? The, the meaning. Don't you know that? Let you know that by the side of me. The means speciality, kevala, only, particularity, that is called as the. How means that I am going to be giving you the example. I am the teacher means extra valued teacher, that is called as the article over there. I am a teacher means normal teacher, normal teacher, samanya shikshaka, that is called as a teacher. I am the teacher means extra valued, the performance which I have performed in education, that is the article, that is writing of a book, that is the article, speciality, that is called as the article. So these are the divisions of articles, how to divide a and the, and remaining an means if a word start with a or I, that is called as an. Ink bottle, an ink bottle. Inside, an inside, that is an inside, that is the sentence over there. Where is the bottle means an inside the cabin, an inside the cabin. Ah. That is called as an. And let you know the examples of an. An apple. An apple means plural. Hmm. An apple means plural. Those are called as plural. Many apples. The apple means particularly. The teacher and a teacher. A teacher means normal teacher. The means speciality contains the teacher is called as the teacher. If a word start with a or I blindly, an is used. How means example? An ink pad, an advisor. He is an advisor. He is an advisor. That is the wrong sentence. An egg, an umbrella, an FBI, SBI, MLA. This is about the articles over there. If you have any doubt, please check this. Let you know that meaning, definition, and the clarification regarding the articles. So, in the next class, I am going to be discussing with you regarding the direct and indirect speech completely. Okay, thank you, one and all.